Take a look, guys. It is cheesy, juicy, and packed with a bunch of flavor. Check it out. Oh my God. This is gonna be good. All right, so I'm gonna take a bite. Ooh. Hey guys, what's up? What's going on? Welcome back to Keegan's Kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to make this flavorful stuffed chicken breast recipe. Stay tuned. So you want to start today's recipe off by making a little pocket, on your chicken breast. So you want to poke that hole, make a little pocket. And this is where we're going to add our filling at. All right? Just like that. And now we're going to add our seasoning. This is about 2 tablespoons of all-purpose seasoning. So right now I'm just adding 1 tablespoon, and then I'm going to add the 2nd tablespoon. Make sure it's nicely seasoned on the inside and outside. Rub it in. Now we're going to move on to the next step. Now we're going to add a little drizzle of oil, and then we're going to add our sweet corn, scallion, some onion, thyme, and Scotch bonnet pepper. Stir it up. Just keep mixing it, guys, until it's fully caramelized. Then we're going to remove it from the pot. You just want to do this for about a minute. Now we're going to add our shredded cheddar. This is like maybe 1/3 of a cup. Add it right in. And that same mixture, that veggie mixture, we're going to stuff it right in as well. And now we're gonna get like maybe 1 or 2 toothpicks and just close this little pocket, all right? So now, guys, we're gonna add some more oil to that same pot that we used earlier. Turn your stove down to about a medium heat. And you want to fry your chicken for about 5 minutes per side. Go ahead and flip your chicken breast after 5 minutes. It's looking nice and golden on the first side. This is the color and the texture you're looking for. So we're just going to fry it for another 5 minutes. And then we're going to add some water and let it simmer. So now, guys, you want to add about 2 cups of water and let it simmer. And you want to let your chicken simmer for about 5 minutes. I'm also going to add a little bit of ketchup, not too much. A little bit of barbecue sauce, and that's going to be it. Not too much. Woo. And this is going to be our nice little sauce. And we're gonna serve this on a bed of rice. Pour that sauce right on top. Oh my God. So good. So we're at the end of the video, guys, and I'm about to do a quick taste test. Slice right into it. It's fully cooked right through. Oh my God. Take a look, guys. It is cheesy, juicy, and packed with a bunch of flavor. Check it out. Oh my God. This is gonna be good. All right, so I'm gonna take a bite. Ooh. Taste this. This is so good, guys. Definitely check out this recipe. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more amazing recipes. Peace.